Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and here is my chicken stew, for want of a better word. Broccoli, carrots, bell peppers, and leg quarters. So here it is. Put it in the bowl. Try to keep it from falling in the sink or on the floor, which isn't easy because there's not a lot of room. Okay, there we go. And there's bones. Don't want the bones. We'll try to get where we don't have any bones. Just opened up the pressure cooker, and it is most definitely hot. There's a leg that did not fall apart immediately. Like for the size. But does fall apart easily. I'll give the cat some of this later. Alright, that's it for this one. Waiting for the Powerball results to see what happens. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night, and I'll catch you next time. Stay dry, stay safe, and remember tomorrow morning, or actually, tomorrow morning, daylight savings time changes, and we go to dark winter, or whatever you want to call it. Clock, bring forward, fall back. So we go to backwards time. Bye-bye for now.